city in Iran. Mashhad, more than just a city, it's the spiritual heartbeat of Iran. Home to the sacred shrine of Imam Reza, Mashhad is where millions of pilgrims find solace, where history and faith intertwine. Mashhad became a religious center due to the presence of Imam Reza, the 8th Shia Imam. After his martyrdom in 818 AD, he was buried in the small village of Sanabad. The site of his tomb quickly became a destination for Shia pilgrims, and over time, the growing devotion led to the development of a grand shrine and the expansion of the village into the city of Mashhad, making it the holiest city in Iran and a key spiritual hub in Shia Islam. The shrine's most iconic feature is its stunning golden dome, which shines brilliantly under the sun. The dome, adorned with gold-plated tiles, symbolizes the purity and sanctity of Imam Reza. It's visible from various parts of Mashhad, serving as a beacon for pilgrims. Located within the shrine complex, the Goladshad Mosque is a masterpiece of Timurid architecture. Built in the 15th century, it features an intricately decorated prayer hall with stunning blue tiles, calligraphy, and a magnificent mihrab prayer niche that points toward Mecca. The shrine complex is surrounded by vast courtyards, each with its own unique design and historical significance. The most notable are the Sane Azadi and Sane Quds. These courtyards are places of reflection, where pilgrims gather to pray, meditate, or simply absorb the spiritual atmosphere. They are often lined with beautiful fountains, manicured gardens, and rows of intricate tile work. The shrine features several towering minarets, each decorated with turquoise tiles and Quranic inscriptions. These minarets not only serve as architectural highlights, but also as points from which the call to prayer, Adhan, echoes across the city. The main entrance, or Ivan, is a grand portal that leads into the shrine. It's a prime example of Persian architecture, featuring towering arches, vibrant mosaics, and inscriptions that praise the virtues of Imam Reza. Walking through this entrance is often described as a deeply moving experience for pilgrims. The walls and facades of the shrine are covered with exquisite tile work in shades of blue, green, and gold. The tiles are often arranged in intricate geometric patterns or feature floral motifs. Quranic verses and Persian poetry, rendered in elegant calligraphy, adorn the walls, offering spiritual guidance and inspiration to visitors. Inside the shrine, the tomb chamber is the most sacred area. It is usually illuminated by chandeliers and natural light filtering through stained glass windows. The walls are covered with precious materials like gold, silver, and mirrors, reflecting light in a way that creates a celestial atmosphere. Pilgrims often touch or kiss the zari as a sign of devotion and respect. spirituality and commerce, bustling with activity day and night. Lined with numerous hotels that cater to the millions of pilgrims visiting each year, these streets offer accommodations ranging from luxury hotels to more modest options, all designed to provide comfort and convenience close to the holy site. The surrounding bazaars, such as the famous Bazaar Reza, are filled with a colorful array of shops selling religious souvenirs, saffron, Persian carpets, and traditional handicrafts. The air is filled with the aroma of spices and the sound of lively bargaining, creating an atmosphere that is both deeply spiritual and culturally rich, where pilgrims can immerse themselves in the local culture while staying connected to their faith.
وعملت بك